Okay, and I think we're live. Yeah. What's up, everybody? Hope we're having a good day today. Really nice here in New Jersey. I have kind of a cold, so I probably sound a little weird, but figure I'm stuck here at home coding anyway, so might as well do it on a live stream. Got the lo-fi beats to study and relax you, no copyright. Hopefully this doesn't get flagged. Just wanted to share this link. Share this link with your friends, your parents, everybody you know. Or not. Also, I'm on Pop here. Add me, and we can do some remote pair programming. It's actually a really nice platform. Pop. Okay. Also, got some books here just to shout out to the people inspiring all these TDD things, working effectively with legacy code. This is a really good one about TDD, refactoring. All the examples are really old school, like Java and C++, but pretty easily translates over to TypeScript. Same with this one, refactoring, Mark Fowler. And close the window there. Yeah, refactoring Martin Fowler gives you just literal examples of different code smells and how to refactor it. So kind of just like a checklist you can go through with your code to see are there things I can refactor. And then this one, Kent Beck, one of the OGs, test-driven development by example, where he's just kind of like even teaching you how to think about it, going through. So that's cool, and I'm gonna hope to take those kind of ideas, apply them today and in the future in TDD, and even bring it to the next level now with MTDD, right? Mutation driven testing development. And how it all kind of, you're still doing the same unit testing and checking them and code coverage and code smell refactoring. The only difference here is that it's one final layer on top of it, where after you're done your tests and you're looking at your code coverage, you're saying, how can I be sure that my assertions are all there, and checking that things return true when they should and return false when they should return false, right? Or throw errors when they should, and that there aren't any ambiguous situations where your test could pass for a lot of different values of source code. And it's like if this is a correct thing, you can have a test for it to say that, and if it's not, then maybe you should tighten up your test so that those don't pass, right? But we can get into that. Using my good old friend ChatGPT to help me out here with the scaffolding. I wanted to throw some CDK into it, automate our deployment and infrastructure as code, because he's like, people just decide not to hire me for a coding job because I couldn't talk about that. So we're gonna do some of that. Install Stryker, install Jest. Sorry, I'm kind of going backwards here, but okay. Oh, too far. Okay, scaffold, TypeScript, Express project. And we're gonna start from the very beginning of just creating a repository. And I'm gonna call this, what I call this, MTDD TypeScript NodeJs. From the live stream. Okay. Can add a readme to it. We'll use the node git ignore. We can make this MIT. Okay. I'm gonna put this in my Git projects folder. MTDD. Okay. Alright, so we cloned our repository. And that basically made a folder for us, so we don't need to do this part. Let's do the npm init-y. This will give us a package JSON with all this stuff in it. Looks good. Okay, now we need to install all these dependencies: Express, TypeScript, and the type definitions for Express. And we want to save all these into our package.json folder as dependencies. Okay, let's open this up in VS Code here. And we're going to create a new file called tsconfig.json. That's what they wanted. Yep. Okay, using ES 2019 common.js. We could change any of this stuff if we wanted to, but it looks fine to me. Source directories, the root directory, so let's create this. And that's the next thing they're telling us to do. Okay, and then make an app.ts. And inside of source, we want to make that okay. Right, so this is just starting our Express server and then defining the different routes. So on this regular base route, we're getting the string hello Express, and we're listening. Once it connects, it will display the server's running on the floor. Okay. So here, this is one way that we can run, basically, start runs the compiled app.js, and build turns our TypeScript into JavaScript. Okay, so let's try to do the npm run build. It seemed like it worked. and it did make an out.js here. It's empty, which is, oh, I forgot to save this, see this circle here. So, try this again. Okay. Now it's just JavaScript that is kind of the decompiled TypeScript. In a way. Detranspiled, you could say. But okay, so now we should be able to say npm start. Something else is running this thing, I think. Okay, this was the JavaScript birthday example that we were doing last time. That's fine now. Okay, now we have the port 3000 available. And it says hello. Okay. So we have a simple Jest Express project set up. Now we want to install Jest. And so I think we do need Jest regardless, but we're also going to want these TS Jest, types Jest. So we could just create some file that calculates the sum. And then if test for this sum.test, yes, sum. Okay, that just imports sum and then adds it, expects it to be the sum. I really like doing npx, just I think, you know, we already have Jest installed, why don't we just use that one? Okay, so Jest. So I think this is what we're trying to do, use ECMAScript modules. Oh, using TypeScript. True, ECMAScript modules is a like a JavaScript thing. install Jest, TypeScript, Express. VTS config. Okay, but in the test TS we are using import. Module is 2020. Let's try this. Maybe I should use Babel. Or do I need to just run TS Jest maybe here? Okay, online documentation, get started. Don't care. Contributing, what? Okay, installation. I think I did this. Okay, we can create a config file. Now, let's try to run just Jest again. Hey, alright, let's go. Okay, so we have that one test passing. Sorry, that's the old project. We got our some test or some TS. You could say const equals actually, no, I kind of like this, the TypeScript function syntax. Just config TS Jest here. Okay, so then we could say test COV. Choose test coverage. I forgot to add the coverage flag. I think it's just dash coverage. Okay. It's pretty good to me. Or is it? So now we got Jest working. We want to call to the Stryker section.
For my next trick, I will get a
We'll
reader
make
to
a
fill this jar and list it
Stryker.conf.js.
It's not really magic.
No
Just a
root
recent
here.
online offer from CarMax, good for 7 days. Great crowd.
CarMax, car selling
I think
reimagined.
it's in the wrong. Oh no, it is. Okay, that's good. TypeScript mutator. Using npm HTML clear text. Using Jest test runner. Transpilers, TypeScript, mutate everything. In the source folder. We might need to say don't do the test file, but let's just see. Okay, and that's all. Just shake around. I'll call this test M, or maybe just MTDD. And this is Stryker run, that will look at the Stryker conf file. Not low reporter plugin HTML. I mean, Stryker shouldn't be there as a dev dependency already, right? So. So those are even these. Plug in TypeScript. Should probably be looking at TypeScript. Stryker docs. I think this should just be a regular object. Okay, mutator, we got twice. Okay, it does want to export a function. You know, it could also be because I forgot to. Oh, I am using Node 18. Okay. Another one. Alright. transpiler plugin TypeScript. Oh man, that's why I wish I had someone pair program with me. I'm just gonna add all this stuff. Okay, push it all up there. Nothing. Then I'm just gonna search here for whatever Stryker CLI. This might be the wrong. title of this fails to run. Okay. Either going to copy this link into the okay, give him an error. And then say okay, let's get in package JSON. Okay. Okay, even ask it that's not it. I'll say Stryker. Okay, let's post this. and post this. Okay, but it's a good thing, you're gonna have to use Stryker with TypeScript a lot, so it's good to know how to do it properly and ask the people and possibly even fix the library that is only in janky support right now to be in very nice support. So, opening issues is still a real contribution. At least that's what I tell myself. But, yeah. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Once again, this episode was sponsored by Banana. Don't forget to go outside, and see you next time.